Welcome to everyone. Today we shall discuss about half-range Fourier series. As we know, in case of Fourier series representation of a given function f(x), it should satisfy some conditions. That is, number 1 is f(x) should be a periodic function with period 2l and defined on the interval minus l comma l open interval. And number 2 is f(x) satisfies Dirichlet's condition on minus l on this open interval, so that we can say that if this condition satisfied, then f(x) has Fourier series representation of the form is 0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity a n cos n pi x by l plus bn sin n pi x by l. Now, in case of half-range Fourier series, our given function f(x) is defined on this interval. So, in case of half-range Fourier series, our given function f(x) defined on 0l in this half section. That's why it is called half-range series. Now, f(x) has a Fourier series representation if it is defined on this minus ll open interval, so that we can say that it will be a periodic function with period 2l and satisfies Dirichlet's condition on minus ll, and then we can get Fourier series representation. So, but here this given function is defined on this interval, so we have to extend this function on the remaining half. That is, in that case, we have to extend f(x) on minus L0 in this section, so that the extended function will define on minus ll on this section. Now, there are two types of extension. Types of extension. Number 1 is even extension. Number 2 is odd extension. Now come to this point. Classification of half-range series. There are two types of half-range series. One is half-range cosine series. Another one is half-range sine series. Okay. So, if our problem is such that find half-range cosine series of the given function f(x) which is defined on the 0l open interval, then our extension will be even extension. And if in the question the problem is such that find half range sine series of the given function fx which is defined on 0L in this domain, then our extension will be odd extension. Okay. So, according to our problem, we realize that what type of extension we should do. Now, we are going to discuss about very common mistakes and confusions related to half range series. For this, we are talking about an example. So, suppose problem, find half range cosine series of the function fx equal to x where 0 less than equal to x less than equal to pi. Okay, that is here 0L in this section is given here. Here this is written as closed interval. So I openly writing. So here the interval is 0 pi. Now fx equal to x for 0 less than x less than pi, that is 0L open interval, here is given that 0 pi open interval. Now what is the type of this function? If this is my first asking, then what will be your answer? That is, I am asking that this function is even or odd. What is the type of this function? So you are going to check odd and even function like this. F of minus x equal to what is the value? Either it is f of x or it is minus of f of x. So as and also you see that here fx is given fx equal to x. So f of minus x equal to minus x. Therefore minus of fx. Therefore we get that f is odd. This is your answer. But this is very common mistake. This is not the answer. This is wrong. First of all, we have to notice this domain of this function where the function is defined. See, in the problem, function is defined on 0 pi in this part. So there is no negative section in the domain. So if there is no negative section in the domain, that is, suppose here this is pi, this is 0, and fx equal to x function is looks like this. So there is no negative section in the domain. Domain is like just this portion. So how could you find this f of minus x? What will be the value of f of minus x? There is no negative point, negative part in the domain. So we can't find the value of f of minus x. As because the domain is here 0 pi, only this part, right? Okay, I am repeating again that since here the given function fx is defined on this 0 pi section, this is a positive part, so there is no negative section in the domain. So we can't get this value, we can't get f of minus x, so we can't write this is wrong, right? So if the function is defined on 0L in this section, that is positive section, then we can't say that this function is even or odd. So in this case, fx is neither even nor odd function. So this is your first confusion. Okay, next. So I have told that in case of half range series, you first read the problem. Here it is asked that find half range cosine series, and see, for half range cosine series even extension should be done. So therefore our given function should be extended as even function on the entire part, that is on the minus L to 0 in this section, so that the function extended function will be an even function in minus L to L in this section. So I repeating again that if in the question it is asked that find half range cosine series of the given function fx equal to x or whatever you have in the question paper, then this function should be extended in the remaining portion, that is minus L to 0 part. That is, here we have to extend this function in minus pi to 0 in this section, so that the extended function will be an even function. This extension will be even extension, so that the extended function will be an even function on this entire interval minus L to 0, that is minus pi to pi. Now graphically I explaining it. So here the function is fx equal to x and defined on 0 pi open interval. Now as problem is find half range cosine series, so fx, our given function fx, should be extended as even function on minus pi 0 in this section, so that the extended function, that is final function after extension, what we will get, this extended function, so that the extended function will be an even function on minus pi on this entire interval. So look the graph. Suppose this is pi, this is 0, this is minus pi. Then in 0 to pi, this is fx equal to x function. This is given function. This is given. Now our extended function will be even function. So if in the 0 to pi in this section we extend in this way, then it will be odd. Let this will be the extension. Then take any point x here. Okay, if that will be the extension, then check, is this extension even or odd? If this is x, then this is minus x. So this is f of minus x, this is f of plus x. So both the values are same in magnitude but opposite in sign. So this is an odd extension. But we need here even extension. So in this problem our picture will be like this. This is 0, this is pi, this is minus pi, this is x, and this will be extended. So fx equal to x, this is given, and fx equal to minus x, this is extension. This is given and this is extension. So this will be even extension, right? So even extension of the function fx will be like this. That is, our final extended function will be x for 0 less than x less than pi and minus x for minus pi less than x less than equal to 0. So this is our final extended function, which is an even function. So our final extend, you may denote this final extended function at by capital X or capital X. Suppose capital Fx be the final extended function. This will be the final extended function. Capital Fx is defined in this way, and this function capital Fx is even on minus pi on this interval. So this function fx, capital Fx, is a periodic function with period 2 pi on this interval. Also it satisfies Dirichlet's condition on this interval. Then we can say that this function has a Fourier series representation. So after doing this extension, we get the half range Fourier series. Okay, so this is the even extension. Now if the problem is like that, suppose this is problem 2, first one is problem 1, this is problem 2. The problem is like that: find half range sine series of the function fx equal to x. So I am taking the same function. Similarly, here also the domain is 0 pi. For half range case, the domain will be half range portion. So similarly, this function should be extended on the negative part, that is minus pi to 0 in this section. And what type of extension we should do? See the question. Find half range sine series. And for half range sine series, see, this is odd extension. So in this case, our given function should be extended as odd. So odd extension should do in this case. Now oddly extended this function. First see the graph. I think graphically it looks like better and easier. This is pi, this is minus pi, this is 0 to pi, our given function fx equal to x. And for odd extension, how it looks like? See, if this will be the if I draw in this way, then these two portions have same, and if this is x, this is minus x, and if this will be the function, then these two portion f of minus x and f of plus x, these two have same value in magnitude and same. So this is not the our required graph in case of odd extension. So our graph will be like this. This is our odd extension graph, where this is fx equal to x function, and also see this is given fx equal to x on 0 to pi, and this is extended function. This is extension, right? So now our final extended function here, that is fx, capital Fx, this is equal to, what is the function? X for x belongs to 0 to pi and also in this portion this is x, that is x belongs to minus pi to 0. So that is fx equal to x for all x belongs to minus pi to 0, that is minus pi to plus pi. Our final extended, this is extended function, and this extension is odd extension. So this extended function is defined on the minus pi this open interval. So this function is periodic function with period 12 on this minus pi open interval. Also it satisfies Dirichlet's condition. Why? Just check. This is periodic, piecewise continuous, and has a finite number of relative maxima and minima. So it satisfies Dirichlet's condition, that is this extended function satisfies Dirichlet's condition. So we can get the Fourier series of this function. So we can get half range sine series, that is half range Fourier series, and the type is sine series, half range Fourier sine series. So we get our Fourier series extension, half range series extension. So in our upcoming videos I will discuss many problems related to this half range sine series, half range cosine series, and also we discuss about some confusion and difficulties, and also your queries. If you have any queries, you may ask me in comment section. So keep watching videos, and thanks to everyone.